Okay guys, so this is what I did. This oil tank right here is what they call, it's rotted underground. So this lift right here is leaking oil. Lost about, I'd say about 4 to 5 gallons of oil. So you eliminate the internal oil tank, and instead of breaking up the concrete, you can go direct and put this tank on top of the ground. Okay, and then you got to anchor it. You got to drill the concrete, anchor it. This is a valve to help me change this valve whenever I need to in the future. I'm just making it easier on myself. The tank is a 45-gallon tank, inch and a quarter ball valve, and that is only used to change the oil valve. If you do not have the ball valve there, if you had a straight pipe, what would happen is if you open this union up, even if you had 4 or 5 gallons of oil, all this oil would shoot out the top from the weight, would push it right out. So that's why you put a ball valve there. It makes it easier whenever I have to take something apart. So it's all done, and that's what I did. Now it doesn't look like a lot of work, but the problem is the measurements. You got to situate the tank, then hand tighten all the pipe, make sure you got the right connections. And this was a little tricky here, but this came out good. Coming out under here, and going up. But you get the gist of it. So, and this is the tank is roughly $625, and pipe is about $150, and I'm getting $2,200. So $2,200 for that job is a very good profit. It's about $1,500 profit. So that's about it, and we'll catch you guys later.